السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا محمد سيد الأولين والآخرين. مدد يا رسول الله، مدد يا سادات الصحابة، مدد يا مشايخنا دستور مولانا شيخ الله فازاس شيخ محمد عادل، مدد طريقتنا الصحبة والخير في الجميع. Allah'a şükür bugün 19 oluyor. Bu akşam 20. gün Ramazan mübarek. O da bitiyor.
Today is the 19th and tonight is the 20th of Ramadan. So we are entering the last 10 days of Ramadan, and these are the farewell days. Muezzins in the past would say farewell to Ramadan.
20. gününde de bir Peygamber Efendimizin sallallahu aleyhi ve sellem
on the 20th and onwards, our Holy Prophet had a sunnah that he would not leave, and that's itikaf. From home. His house was next to the mosque anyway. He made himself another place there, and he would bring his bed and whatnot, and he would place it there and make the itikaf in the last 10 days in the mosque. It says sunnah muakkada, but if one person does it, everyone else is cleared of having to do it. So if one person does it in a city or in a country, all the others get the virtue of that itikaf, inshallah. This is an important matter. Yet, alhamdulillah, thank Allah. Well, this year mosques are closed, and in some places people are doing it themselves. For women anyway, they should be doing it at home, but it's men who should be doing it in the mosques. Otherwise, for women it's even more suitable this year, as they can't go out on the streets and whatnot. Therefore, for them, for the women, for the ladies, itikaf is easier. But as we said, for men, if it's appropriate, they can also do it. It's appropriate for everybody. Anybody can do itikaf. And those who can't do it, when they usually, in normal times, when they enter a mosque, they make the intention for itikaf. And however many minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, however much you stay in the mosque, it's counted as itikaf. But true itikaf, originally the true itikaf is in the last 10 days of Ramadan, and that's the acceptable one. The others may Allah also accept as well. They will also gain the virtues of it, inshallah. May Allah bless those who do it. May it be of benefit and guidance for the nation, for the ummah. May it be a means to get rid of troubles and distress, inshallah. May good doors open up, inshallah. And may it be strength for our iman.